If you want to quote a message in Telegram on PC, this quick tutorial will show you the easiest way to do it in just a few seconds. Quoting or replying to a specific message is a great way to keep conversations clear, especially in busy group chats where lots of people are talking at once. It helps everyone understand exactly which message you're responding to, and it makes your replies look much more organized and professional. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Telegram tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram on your PC and go to the chat where the message is located. Find the message you want to quote or reply to. Now move your mouse over that message and hover directly on it. Once you do that, right-click the message to open the drop-down menu. In that menu, you'll see several options, but the one you want is Reply. Go ahead and select Reply from the menu. As soon as you click it, Telegram will automatically attach that message to your reply box so you can type your response underneath it. This is the easiest way to quote a message in Telegram on desktop, and it works perfectly whether you're in a private chat, a group, or even a channel discussion. Now you can type your message and send it, and everyone will know exactly what you're referring to. If you ever need to reply to another message, just repeat the same steps. Hover over the message, right-click it, and choose Reply. It's fast, simple, and very useful once you get used to it. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more Telegram how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.